Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free coins on Pocket FM. So as you can see, I got tons of coins right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of the Pocket FM. So what you need to do is go to this website. It's called zoomods.com, and they have like all these different modded apps. So once you're on the site, guys, I just want you to go to the search bar and type in Pocket FM. There's the mod, press on it, and it's going to start downloading. So we just have to wait for it to download, as you can see. So yeah, let's just give it a second to load up. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification, which is pretty easy. You just have to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official app store. So let me just show you guys. So as you can see, it's gonna load. Alright, so yeah, I don't really do this often, but this is legit. So as you can see, there's 4 apps, and you just pick 2 of them. I'm on an Android, so it's gonna bring me to the Play Store, but if you're using an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store. So just download the apps, and make sure you read the instructions like misplay, merge garden, says reach level 9. So I don't really know what to tell you. They might not be the same apps depending where you live, but just download 2 of them and blah, blah, blah. So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys, so be sure to try us out. And then you will get unlimited Pocket FM coins, so that's pretty sick. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free Pocket FM coins, because this is super cool, and it totally works. So yeah, I mean, that's insane, bro. It's so easy. You just got to download 2 of the apps. I mean, they've got an AI you can talk to if you don't know how to do it, which is pretty wild. So I'm gonna see you later, and peace out, bro.